Children, today we are going to learn the lesson about animals and plants of third class. Okay, na? So the difference between animals and plants. Okay. Cats, dogs, and tigers are living things. When you call out to a dog, it comes running to you. Yes or not yes? Mangoes, apples, and bananas, when they are growing on plants, are also living things. Yet, however much you may call a ripe mango high up on the tree, it will not come down. Though both plants and animals are living things, they are different from each other in many ways. Okay, in the previous lesson, we have learned about this living and non living things. Now, animals move about from place to place. Why do birds fly from one place to another? Why they move in search of food? Yes or no? Why does a lion roam about in a jungle? They move in search of food. Yes. On the other hand, most plants are fixed to the ground. They do not have to search for food. They make their own food. So, how the plants are preparing their food? With the help of photosynthesis. That means in the previous lesson we learned that in the leaf they are having a chlorophyll, the presence of green in color. So with the help of the sunlight they are preparing their own food. Okay, and next we can know about animals eat plants or other animals. Okay, now here see we in the picture we can see most plants are fixed to the ground. So the sun, the rays falls on the trees. So the sun light emits on the leaf and it will it will have oxygen. Okay, we are breathing oxygen and we are leaving out carbon dioxide. The trees will absorb that carbon dioxide to live, okay, to prepare their own food. Next we can know about animals eat plants of other animals. So, animals eat plants or other animals. Animals cannot make their own food. Animals like cows and buffaloes eat grass. Elephants eat sugarcane. So, here elephants will eat sugarcane and cows and buffaloes will eat grass. And next, animals like lions, tigers, and cats eat other animals. However, green plants make their own food with the help of water, air, and sunlight. Only non-green plants like moles and mushrooms get their food from dead and rotting matter. Okay, here some non-green plants means a cactus. In the desert areas we can see. So they are called as a non-green plants. So how they can live with the help of moles and mushrooms. Okay, and also the rotting matter. Here the see the animals do not make their food. So here the elephant is eating sugarcane. See here a plant makes its own food how? With the help of sunlight, air. Okay, now by the absorption of that, and also we are pouring a water to that, no? So it will absorb that. The plant will become a tree after a few days. And next, animals breathe through lungs, gills, or air holes. Okay, so different animals breathe with the different types of holes, lungs, and gills. Okay, they are breathing with a different one. Animals like horses, tiger, monkeys, and gorillas breathe through their lungs. Okay, with the help of the lungs, they are breathing. A fish have gills which help them to breathe in water. Insects like ants. Yeah, fish have gills which help them to breathe in water, and insects like ants, cockroaches, flies, and butterflies have air holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. Okay, plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. Here we can see they are having some tiny pore. They are breathing through this, and here fish is having the gills, and also ant is having air holes, and this having lungs. Okay, the human being also breathing with the help of lungs. And the next is animals have sense organs. Okay, animals have sense organs. Those are skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. We are learning from our childhood onwards. These organs help them to know about the world around them, and plants do not have sense organs. That means The plants do not have sense organs and the animals are having sense organs. That is the difference between the plants and animals. And next one is animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Okay. Some animals like snakes and birds lay eggs. Who are laying the eggs? Snakes and some birds are laying eggs and babies hatch from these eggs, and some animals like cats and cows give birth to their young ones. So after that it's becoming some again it's reproducing a baby. Yes or not? That means the reproduction is going on. See here in the picture. And next here we can see animals lay eggs or giving birth to young one here, and a baby plant grows from a seed. We can see in this pictures. Most plants produce seeds. These seeds gives rise to a new plant. In some cases, new plants can grow from a part of the plant like stem, roots or leaves. Here we can see here roots, a stem and also leaves. Okay, this is called a stem cutting or okay na, like roses, sugarcane. These all are happening in the stem cutting. That is about the seeds. And next we can know about animals. Plants depend on each other. Though animals and plants are different from each other, they depend on each other. Why they are depending on each other? Because other to live, if there are just enough plants, just enough plant eating animals and just enough flesh eating animals in the world, there is a balance in nature. Yes, when there are too few animals or a kind such as tiger, this balance gets disturbed. When we cut down too many trees without planting new one, then also this balance gets disturbed. So we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees. That means it is enough now. Okay, no need to grow anything. We should not think like that. We have to plant the trees and we have to protect the animals. And see here, a monkey eats a mango. The monkey throws the seed. A baby plant grows from the seed. Next, that means here the monkey depends on the fruit. Yes or not? So the monkey throws the seed out. Then what happens? The seed grows. Children, this is the lesson about animals and plants. That means the animals are both depending on each other, and also animals can reproduce. Okay, and the plants cannot. Okay, with the help of the seeds, they are getting a new baby plant. That is the difference between animals and plants. Animals depends on the plants have animals move in search of a food, and the plants are getting their food with the help of a sunlight, with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay na children, this is the lesson about animals, plants. In the next class we can know about the notes.